Hi everybody, welcome back to another Sprint Booster install. Today we're installing a Sprint Booster on this 2008 Lexus IS350. Sprint Booster is the #1 throttle control module on the market, trusted by over 2 million users worldwide, so you know you're getting the good stuff. If you have any more questions, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com, check out a wide list of applications, and see which Sprint Booster is right for your car. So the first step in the install is to take your key fob, put it 10 feet away from your car, then you wait another 10 minutes, that way your CAN bus system can reset. Then we're ready to begin the install. Next, look at your throttle pedal assembly. Above there, you'll see the clip to your harness. Unplug that clip and plug the Sprint Booster in line. Plug your controller into the Sprint Booster and run it up to your dash. Before you mount it on there, make sure that it's switched to the automatic setting if you have an automatic car like we do, or flick it up to the manual setting if you have a manual car. The Sprint Booster has 36 unique modes, including valet mode and pedal lock mode, which limit your throttle output, so in case anybody takes your car out for a drive, they can't beat on your engine and over rev the machine. Alright everybody, well thanks for checking out the Sprint Booster install. If you have any more questions, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com and check out our wide list of applications to see which Sprint Booster is right for your machine. If you enjoyed what you saw, give us a like and let us know down in the comments what other cars you want us to install a Sprint Booster on. Thanks everybody. Bye now.